People give us a hard time for this, but man, I'm telling you what, these welds still look better than some of the trucks you saw at SEMA this year. Today's video is brought to you by Dollar Shave Club. Right now they've got a shower and shave box. I can give you guys a really good deal. It's $5, dude. So they get you covered head to toe. If you've got a body, they can cover you. So you got some shower stuff. Got my nice razor. I've been using these razors personally for like a year now, and they're amazing. Face cleanser, sage and black pepper, hair and scalp shampoo. Body cleanser, bro. They even got butt wipes. Like, if you have a dirty butt, they even got you covered there. I got a code for you guys in the description to get a $5 start. I know all you guys have $5. So I want you to go to the link in the description. At least check it out for me. Just check it out. If you want to support the channel, I need you guys to check it out. Dollar Shave Club has you covered head to toe. They've got stuff for shaving, brushing, doing your hair, doing your face. They have everything. So I want you guys to check them out. Huge thanks to them for sponsoring this video. I've got a link for you guys in the description. As you guys know, lately we have been working on a Subaru WRX. We've been restoring it because it was completely totaled. And we've gotten pretty far on it, but now it's to the point to where we're about to paint it. We're pretty close to it. So we need to go ahead and start getting some parts that are going to be included in the painting process. I've been searching for some STI parts and I found one specifically today and I'm really psyched about it. As you can tell by the title, we're going to pick up an STI wing. Let's go check it out. Hope it's in decent condition, but we're getting a really good deal on it. I think you guys are gonna like the WRX maybe as much, if not more than the Evo when it's done. Oh, and look, shh. You'll get a video on that soon. Got that swag today, bro. Oh my god, that's so swag, man. Show. Okay, we're here. This guy is not in too bad of condition. We have to repaint the whole car anyways, and it's got a few scratches here and there. So we picked this sucker up for like $200. I'm pretty psyched about that. You can't even get fiberglass ones for that cheap. Let's go back home and do some fabrication stuff. I am getting looks like I am not supposed to be in this part of town. I wish I could just give everybody a high five and a hug and just be like, yo, what's up? But I don't think they want us here. Watch this. How many speed bumps? Let's go. Let's send it. 1, 2, oh my God, 3, 4. That was a bad one. Ow. Now that we're home, I gotta grab something that I've had for a long time, but haven't been able to show you guys. Which box is it in? I don't even, is it this one? Yeah, it's in this box. Let's grab this. Let's go install us a wing. So this box is from, oh, I lost it. It's from an old friend. His name is Nick Sankio. He's actually been a subscriber for a really long time, like before I hit like 5,000. Now he's a good friend of mine, and he actually, this has been sitting in my garage for a while because I've had no need for them. I didn't want them to collect dust. But, as you saw whenever we got the car, the old taillights were kind of funky, and he sent us red and white ones, not the ugly 06, 07 ones. I can't stand the way those look. He sent us some of these. So awesome. Nick, I miss you. We'll have to send you some merch or something like that. Really appreciate it. There's one more. Oh wait, hold up. Oh, he sent us 3. He sent us 3 taillights, just in case. Thanks, Nick. I figured it'd be nice, a nice little aesthetic to add to the car. Like, we're gonna get the wing on it, and then we'll also, like, it'd be nice to have the taillights on it or something like that, just to make it look semi put together. So one thing I'm gonna have to do today, I'm gonna do a little bit of sanding on this Bondo, but it's nice and hard now, and we just need to smooth that out. But I can do that literally any day. The primary thing for today is we're going to, I guess, try and figure out where we need to drill holes, see if it's anything somewhat similar to the WRX. We also need to see if we need to Bondo up and cover up any of the old holes. So the first thing we have to do is literally just put the wing on. Since we're repainting it and everything like that, I'm probably just gonna set it down, let it scratch the area where we need to drill, and that's about it. So, it's gonna go, I might actually go and kind of some of the holes.
Really?
Maybe.
So the only one that you're missing would be the center stuff.
I need to get a, look at this. What the hell even is this? There's a big teddy just sitting right there. I need to get off.
They plugged it up.
What even is this? It's a, oh, did the wing break off of it or something?
Oh.
So I need holes.
Here. Here.
And here.
That's pretty much it.
I'm gonna scrape this nasty stuff off and then start drilling. So this is kind of funky. I've never seen this. I've never taken off this wing, but there are a bunch of different places where you can bolt in the wing. So they have these little funky looking heads where they just kind of slide in and go into place wherever you want. So if you want to bolt them in outside or inside, or maybe all of these are supposed to have bolts and they just don't, it should still certainly be fine, but I thought that was kind of interesting.
So you have a little, hold on.
What?
You have a little nipple back here that's, okay. Take 3. Oh, looks better.
Yep.
Much better.
This is our old trunk. It has the hardware. We forgot about that. So we have 3 bolts. So we're gonna have to find 2 more. That's fine. Or 3 more. Yeah, 3 more. Don't have the hardware, so I'm gonna use these little guys. If any of you have ever seen these, they're pretty sweet, but they destroy whatever you are using. Yeah, but we're gonna be using these for forever.
As I saw it.
It makes a thread the whole way down.
Oh my god.
It just goes yeet and says, I'm the new cat, I'm the new boy now. That's sweet, look at that, it's on. It is on. Aside from that one, we definitely need to find out where this little guy is. And just for kicks and giggles, for no reason whatsoever, we're gonna put the taillights on. It'll make the whole rear end look a little bit better. I don't need them on by any means right now, but it'll look cool. You're about to see a full rear ass of the Subaru for the first time. Well, except for the bumper.
Panties off.
Panties off?
Because it doesn't have the bumper.
Wow.
Don't put that in there.
No, that's going in there. Woo! Victoria.
So technically at this point, we could drive it around.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we could. Once the taillights are in and they work, like, it's a drivable car. It would be sketchy, and I wouldn't like to, but could definitely drive it. Look at this, boys. I know I'm gonna have to take it right back off, or the taillights are gonna have to come right back off. But we have a full Subaru again. Half, sorry, I keep it saying full. It's definitely not a full Subaru. Yeah, the taillights have to come off. Rip. Okay, well, we tried. So for this part, we're going to get the big air sander again. I can hand sand all this for the most part and get the all those small little pieces out. And Victoria, you can learn how to do that. But for this part, it's a lot of Bondo, and I need to get it smoothed out to feel nice. And then we gotta go inside as well and smooth out some of this stuff that I showed you already. But I'm gonna get the air sander and just do this a little bit, do a few overlays, and then see if I can get it smooth. I've got a 180 grit, so it's pretty good. Should be pretty good for shaping. Just gonna hit it, try and make it smooth.
You can see it.
My whole camera looks like it just got farted on by a 90-year-old. Just dusty. Oh, babe, feel it.
Oh my god, that's so smooth.
Yeah.
That is buttery.
Dad is now seeing what it's like being on a channel. He's got some haters now. What do you?
My ass.
Oh, I love it. I love it. That's great. Yeah, so I'll get a little lower grit and we'll finish this up another time. But the main focus today was, now it's dirty, but whatever, because I'm gonna sand it down. I'm gonna repaint everything on this car. Everything that's blue is gonna get repainted. So it looks so good now. It looks so freaking good, dude. So good. This car is gonna be so sweet when we're done. People give us a hard time for this, but man, I'm telling you what, these welds still look better than some of the trucks you saw at SEMA this year. I know the Subaru community is probably not gonna be too stoked, and nobody usually is about putting STI parts on a WRX, but the point of this build is not, I mean, I don't give a damn about up badging. This car is all about style. It's gonna look cool, it's gonna sound good, it's not gonna be fast. I have 3 cars over 500 horsepower and I can give a damn about like genuine STI. I mean, I already have STI rear suspension and I'm gonna have coilovers and that sort of thing, so it's not gonna be that much of a difference. I'm gonna have a slow EJ20 with probably some power mods, but some people might have a problem with that, but to me it's just a wing. Like, I could put a Voltex or an Origin. A wing is a wing to me, and I think that the STI wing, as it sits, is one of the best looking wings out of any OEM wing in history. Just to let you guys know, doesn't matter. What a nice adventurous day. Tomorrow we're gonna come back. I've got some stuff to do to the Z. We're also going to continue to get the Subaru as close to paint as possible. We're not too many steps away. I have a lot of sanding to do. And I'm not gonna just make you guys watch my sanding every day. That's terrible. And something I actually want to start doing is on like Twitter and stuff like that, I usually give a lot of life advice, and I like to give a little like inspirational quotes and stuff. I'd like to once a day, I might forget to do this every now and then, once a day I'm gonna give you guys a new inspirational quote or something to live by. And the first one today is gonna be the one that I've always said: don't be defined by the obstacles you have, but be defined as the person who overcame them. We all struggle, we all have hard times, we all have, you know, we'll go through relationships and breakups and stuff like that, addictions, mental illnesses. That doesn't have to define you. What defines you is how you overcome those things. And that's what I'm gonna leave you with today. Peace out. See you guys tomorrow.